Okay, today's very expensive lesson learned. Physics is a bitch. So you're a big, strong guy. You can lift one of these, I don't know, 350-pound motors. I mean, maybe you skinny guys dating them fat girls, maybe I don't know. But here's what I figured out. So oddly enough, in order to get this damn thing, yeah, I'm climbing inside the engine bay. So in order to get the motor, simple, right? Motor mounts here. This is the motor mount. This goes the boat, that goes the motor. So you think, okay, well, we'll just pop it in here and put these little screws in here. No problem. Well, after fucking around and finding out, yeah, so the winch, this little guy right here, going up to that guy up there, this little guy, as you can see, real tight, made it a hell of a lot. If the motor is suspended, oddly enough, you can move the fucking motor mounts around a little bit in order to get it in the hole. I mean, you skinny guys know what I'm talking about. I mean, me, regular guy, I date skinny girls. What do I know? Well, okay, I married a skinny girl. Don't date anybody. Anyhow, but you know what I'm saying. This thing needs a hoist. So while the pressure's off the motor, oddly enough, it took me hours, or they're about to get one installed, and then the other was all fucked. So then I'm like, well, wait a second. I manhandled that one, I did that one. Then I get over here and I'm like, I'm not manhandling this. There's too much shit going on. So I was like, well, wait a second. What if I just apply some pressure, alleviate the weight, and bam, lesson learned. Use the fucking engine hoist so that you're literally just sliding the fucking motor mounts around without weight. I mean, I've already got it set up. I already had to go through all this. I moved the fucking motor. Why not use it for the install like a mechanic would probably tell you to do from step one? Lesson learned.